Hi, in this video you will learn to install OpenVPN automatically on Ubuntu 18.04 version. Um, First thing you do is you go to Linux.Tips, the website. The first post here is how to install OpenVPN on Ubuntu. If you don't see it there because of the newer posts, search for OpenVPN. You will get to how to install OpenVPN on Ubuntu. You go there. This post explains the two commands that you need to run. The first thing you do is, um, as you can see on my terminal, I have Ubuntu 18.04 installed on my virtual private server. First thing I'll do is just copy paste the first command to download the installed script. It's been already downloaded. Next thing you do is you make the shell script executable, and you run that command. It's done already. Next thing you do is you install OpenVPN. Okay, so you execute the shell script basically afterwards, and all you do is you hit enter again and again. Do you want to enable IPv6 support? No, just leave it to be default port number, and UDP is fine for protocol. Cloudflare Anycast Worldwide is okay by default. Just click enter until you finish. It will take a few seconds. Client name, this will be the name used for your .client OpenVPN file. I'll just name it my name, Amrit, and I will leave it as passwordless client. That is it. Now you can see that I have the OpenVPN client configuration file in root amrit.vpn. So if I do cd/root ls, I see that I have OpenVPN configuration file here that I can use to log on to my VPN server. If I want to test it, I could just download the .ovpn file and use it on my OpenVPN server. Alright, so the last thing we do is to test the OpenVPN server that we just installed. So what I'm doing here is I'm in my, if you look at my current working directory, I'm in user string documents amrit.vpn, which is the directory I have opened up over here. So all I'm gonna do is I'm gonna, using the scp remote secure copy command, I'm gonna copy the /root/amrit.vpn file in my current working directory, which is the dot here. So if I click this, it's asking me for my virtual private server password. I enter it, the file is copied here now. So all I do is I see the file here and I drag it up into my client, which is the so it has been successfully added to my tunnel blick. So all I do is just connect to Amrit, and that's it. And if it's connected properly, this should be connected, and all I do is I can go to google.com, try to check my IP. It should be same as my remote private server. So which is 104.248.119.66. That is it. Thank you.